That was totally the motion. Okay, let's try this.
You didn't warn us.
Okay, let's try this again. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You guys are not doing this very well.
Oh my god, it feels like poop.
Ethan! Get that off your nose. Alright, stop. Okay, you ready? Let's try this one more time. You ready?
She's not joining it. We're supposed to be loud.
Hey, Tabitha, stop laughing. Tabitha, stop laughing. Stop laughing.
What was that? Me.
Ethan, get that off of your nose. Give it to me.
Both. Smells like both.
Ethan, you're disgusting.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready? Alright, 1, 2.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Stephanie. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha, German. Oh, Thomas wasn't singing. Now, Big Pat.
Okay, maybe you guys can just look at the camera and tell her happy birthday then, because you guys really stink at this.
No, I'll try again.
Cheyenne,
I'll try.
look at the camera. Everybody look at the camera. Just everybody. No, Cheyenne.
Well, he tickled me, Mom.
Tabitha. Alright, everybody just say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Stephanie, I guess. What?
Oh God, you guys stink. Say goodbye.
Bye.